we are looking at how to pronounce these expressions in English. We'll be looking at how to say more, pronunciation as well, and vocabulary. So stay tuned to the channel. So the top expression on your screen is the full form of it. Could, not, could not. An example of sentence. I could not open this box yesterday. I could not, could not. Now you can contract those two words together to form the bottom word. So that's the negative of the verb could. The same sentence is pronounced as couldn't. I couldn't open this box. I couldn't, couldn't. I couldn't open this box. So the two different sentences, I could not open this box, or I couldn't open this box. Same meaning, different pronunciation. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.